Hello, I hope that you are all doing well, that you're staying home, and that you're taking good care of your health, both physically and mentally. As announced by George Brown College, all courses are now moving to online format, and so is our course, Exploring Career Options. Now, with regards to our classes, I will be holding online sessions every Wednesday. To join the sessions, follow these instructions. Step 1. Simply log in to your Blackboard account and enter our course portal. Step 2. Click Collaborate. And step 3. Choose the class meeting session. Then join the room. If you have a microphone and a camera, great. I also would like to emphasize that we have a discussion board on Blackboard. Use that to interact with your fellow students. Ask questions, share knowledge, make any comments about the course content. Peer support is always a great option. Do not underestimate it and use the discussion board. Finally, if you want to meet with me, send me a message and we can book a time to chat. Of course, this meeting will be online as well. I am here for you, and together we will be successful in this course. Do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you for listening, and let me know if you need anything.